So I've done the pre-flight checks. It's coming, the wind is coming from south west, I believe.
Reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Abhinav and welcome to Abhinav Speeds. So I hope you guys are really good. Today I'm here with a different vlog. I'm doing an unboxing video. And guess what I'm about to unbox? You might have guessed it from the title. Yes, it's a drone. There we go. It's a SIMREX DC00C. So this drone has a 6-axis gyro, which I think is really cool, especially when it comes to the stability of it. We've got different varieties of colors. So you've got blue, yellow, red, black, and white. So I've got white here, chosen white, because you know, it'll just reflect light, which means it'll stand out more. But in Amazon, you can only buy white, yellow, and red. I haven't seen the black and the blue ones. So I'm gonna now unbox it. There we go. So we're gonna open it up. There we go. Pop it out and let's see what. Oh, you've got some foam here. What is inside the foam? What is it covering? Let's open it up. Ta-da! Oh, wonderful. You've got your small drone there. Oh, this is the warranty. You've got a 1-year extended warranty. Oh, you can scan the QR code as well, if you would like that. So if you scan the QR code, you'll directly just go to the page. Not gonna show you that. So first up, you've got some propeller protectors. Yeah, you've got 4 of those for 4 propellers. I'm gonna keep that aside. So here is the actual drone. Oh, look at that. It fits in my palm. Yeah, it just fits right there when folded. So let's unfold it.
Okay, so it's very easy. Just that pops into place. We've got some black and white propellers. Black, so there we go.
We've got the SIMREX, is this the logo? Yeah, SIMREX. And if you've got the power button, you have to tap on it. And here's the battery. Let's see if we can just pop it out. There we go. So it's quite a small battery. Speaking about battery, it has a 7 to 10 minute flight time. And guess what I really love about this? It has a camera. I'll be showing you some visuals later on. So I'm gonna pop my propeller protectors, shall I call them that, on quickly. Right. You've also got some protectors here. Look, it's quite rubbery. If it, you know, pops down, look. It sort of just, you know, bounces back. Alright, I've fitted my propeller protectors on, and I think it must be ready to fly then. So I'm gonna pop that away. So let's see what else is in the box. So I can see the glimpse of the controller there. And oh, what have you got here? Oh, you've got some spare propellers, and you've got the USB charger. There we go, you've got some spare propellers. I think I probably need a few of those because, you know, I'm a beginner. I'm not an expert at flying these, so I'm gonna keep them away. Right, there we go. So this is the actual remote. So you can open this up and pop your phone in here to see the camera. There we go. I'll be explaining the features after I study it, alright? So for now, I'm gonna pop them away. And you've got the instruction manual. There we go. Must probably read all of that. There we go. You've got to calibrate the controller as well. And you've got an emergency stop, eh? Oh yeah, I'll study it and tell you more about it. Right, and with that, that's the end. So I'm gonna tidy all this up and show you what comes with it. So there we go. That's your controller, spare propellers, charger, and your main drone, and a warranty and SIMREX instruction manual. So about the controller, this button is the start button. If you press it, if you do a short press, that means the propellers will start to spin. But if you do a long press, it will actually start to ascend slowly. And here you've got the calibration of the gyro. So you can just press it and it will calibrate. And you've got your speed selection. So here you've got the stop button. So if you press it as a short press, that means it will slowly come down. If you do a long press on it, it will just, cut the propellers out, it will cut the power, and your drone would probably fall to the ground like a rock. Right. So the next one is headless mode. And if you long press it, I believe it will return to your original controller. If it, flies away and all that. Here you've got your gravity mode. That's what I was talking about, where you can control it using tilt it forwards. That means the drone will go forwards. It's a bit like that. I haven't tried it, by the way. You've got some 3D flip options there. So you can actually do some flips and stunts with your drone, which I think is really cool. And you've got some fine tuners here. So if if your drone starts to go to left or right, you can just fine tune it with those controls. And here you've got the main controllers, that one. So guys, you have to download an app called SIMREX FPV to access it by your phone. So you can have it in iPhones, App Store, and Play Store as well. So I'm gonna just pop that open. There we go. So this is the main screen. What you have to do to connect with this drone is that you have to first of all turn it on. The lights. There we go. So that is in pairing mode if you've got that red light there. So just quickly do the Wi-Fi bit. So I've connected to its Wi-Fi and I'm gonna click on that. There we go. And let me just press the power up button. So I've got the live camera feed and let me just point it to myself. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Ooh, sorry. Camera. So as you can see, it's not the best camera, but here are your exact same controls, but there are quite some differences. That means, look, as you can see, this is my camera view. So I'll just point it, where should I point it? This controller, yeah? Yeah? And what is really good about it is if you land upside down, you wouldn't probably know where you are. Okay? So you've got you've got a camera flip function. Just put that on. There we go. So it can actually show you where your controller, is if you've landed upside down. So I think that is an amazing feature. So guys, as I told you before, I'm not really good at flying, so you can just watch this clip. So you can, as well as watching this clip, you can actually see the camera quality as well. It's not the best, but it does do its purpose, and just look what happened. I just crashed into my neighbour's, backyard. Ooh, that must have been painful for the drone. I would say it's sort of like a medium to control. I would say it's for beginners because you would want to have a little bit of practice with it. As you can see here, I've landed there. So here's a small sample of me doing some aerial stunts. So guys, I'm out here in this field, so it's nice and quiet. So I've come here to test out the powers of this small drone. So I believe that it has a wind tolerance of about 5 miles per hour, but I'm going to test it at 14 miles per hour. Let's see how it goes. So I've done the pre-flight checks. The wind is coming from south-west, I believe. So yeah. For this shot, I actually made a sort of takeoff/landing pad by stamping on the grass, so it would be kind of smooth. almost set everything up, so let's see the footage, hopefully. Right. You know, because of its camera, it's really good. If it lands somewhere, you can actually see, you know, where it landed. You can just you've got the recorded footage, so that would be really handy in case of your drone going missing, or if it's crash landed somewhere else. Just look at that speed! I've chosen it to high speeds because of the wind, as I told you before. It needs to fight it! So guys, after that I've learned one thing. Never try your drone at 14 miles per hour when it's rated at 5 miles per hour. So, until the next video, ta-da!